Hello, let me introduce you to a brilliant piece of kit, the Saveometer. It is going to save you money. Money that you can put towards a holiday, a brand new car, or maybe just keep in the bank for a rainy day instead of giving to those greedy gas and electricity companies. I'll tell you in a minute how exactly this is going to save you money. First, let me show you how easy it is to set up. Come with me. The Saveometer is unbelievably easy to install. You definitely don't need to be a rocket scientist for this one. Everything you need to get going comes in the box and you'll be up and running and saving money within about 2 minutes. The first and most important thing to do is install this little clip. Now this goes on the live wire or the positive wire that comes out of your electricity meter. All you do is take the clip, wrap around the wire, clip it shut, and you're ready to go. Now between you and me, the fitting of that clip was the hardest part of the install. And that wasn't exactly hard. In a second, I will show you the best bit about the Saveometer, how it saves you money. First, let me show you some of the features of this clever little box. The first thing you'll notice about the Saveometer is the easy to read, big bright backlit display, showing you clearly how much your electricity and gas is costing you. At the moment, it's costing me 8.3 pence an hour. I think I need to go and turn some lights off. At the top here, we've got the time and the date that's radio controlled, so it's always accurate and that's free as well. Below that, you've got the weather, the temperature and the humidity. And at the bottom here, we've got a bar chart, which gives you a 30-day comparison of your electricity usage. So it's great for an at-glance comparison. The Saveometer's got two main buttons. This big one at the bottom that enables you to program in the gas or electricity tariff you're on and do initial setup. And this one at the top, which not only turns on the backlit display when it's out of the charger, but also flicks between the various display options, such as how much your electricity cost you last week, last month, in the quarter, over the year, and so on. And as for this little green light, well, that changes with your electricity usage, from green to amber to red, with red meaning you're using quite a lot, so you should probably turn something off. And lastly, there's the charging base of the Saveometer. In this day and age of iPods and docks, there's not really much to say about a charging base, you know what it does. It charges the unit. The unit runs on rechargeable batteries, so you're not wasting money on alkaline batteries, and when the unit's in the charging base, the backlight is on permanently. So I've shown you how easy it is to set up and use the Saveometer. It's that simple. My 5-year-old niece could use it. Now comes the fun bit. Because the Saveometer is portable and it's got a backlit display, you can take it anywhere you want around the house and work out exactly how much electricity is costing you, from having your laptop on to leaving lights on, things like that. Doesn't sound like fun to start with, but trust me, when you realise how much money you could be saving by turning things off, it becomes a bit of a game and it becomes addictive as well. Let me show you. So at the moment the Saveometer is showing me my electricity is costing 6.7 pence per hour. That's just with the lights and the fridge on. Watch what happens though when I put the microwave on. And this is where this little clever box of tricks really comes into play. It is constantly monitoring your electricity. It updates every 6 seconds. So let's put on the microwave and watch the little display there. It's going from 6.6 pence, jump straight up to 21.5 pence, letting me know it's costing me that much per hour to have my microwave on. And the light over here has changed from green to amber, letting me know I'm using more electricity. Most people obviously have the microwave on for a couple of minutes. Let me show you how much it costs you in electricity to make a cup of tea or a coffee. At the moment the Saveometer is monitoring, it's telling me it's costing 7p per hour for my electricity. As soon as I put the kettle on, watch this jump up. It's monitoring all the time, within 6 seconds it'll update, and there we go, a whopping 40 pence extra on there. To boil my kettle, it's costing me 43.6 pence per hour. Obviously the more water you have in there, the longer it takes. If, like me, you leave your mobile phone on charge overnight or your laptop on charge longer than needed, you're just wasting money. And the Saveometer can show you exactly how much. Have a look at this. See what happens just by turning off my laptop when it's fully charged. At the moment, it's at 8.2 pence per hour. After 6 seconds, it will update and it drops down to 7.1 pence. Don't forget, for every constant 1 penny per hour, it's costing you more than £85 a year. If you've got a few laptops on, if you've got a couple of mobile phones in the house charging up, that's a holiday paid for right there. So now you know how the Saveometer works. It's constantly monitoring your electricity and letting you know how much it costs. All you've got to do now is take this portable little unit around the house and start turning a few things off, seeing how much money you can save. Take these lights for example. If you've got a habit of leaving lights on, you're just wasting money. At the moment these lights are costing me 6p an hour. See what happens when I turn them all off. It updates after 6 seconds and there you go. It's dropped down to 0.8p per hour just by turning off a few lights.